You're watching today's video technical update presented by FX Times. It is Tuesday, September 21st, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your chartered market technician, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. The platform I'll be using for analysis is VT Trader. There are some reversal or correction outlooks. For example, dollar yen is in a reversal or a correction. Dollar Swizzy is at parity, and we can expect some support there. The euro pound may have turned the corner. And the euro CAD is breaking out of a flag pattern on the upside. The pound yen pair is in a correction decline, while the Swizzy yen is possibly in a flat correction with a bullish outlook. Let's take a look at these charts. Here's a look at the US dollar Japanese yen for our chart. This huge rally, by the way, was an intervention, and the market has topped off since there is no follow through. The market held below 86. Here we have some ranging action. This is still considered ranging action until the market can break below this low here, close below this low in the 4-hour time frame. Really, you see, so this is a resistance here, and here you have support. So at this 85.20 area, expect some support, but if the market does break that, you can see it suggests a decline towards at least 84.50, 84.40 area in the near term. And actually, if you look at the daily, we have first of all, we're still bearish. There's no higher high here, and the lack of a higher high actually gives us a negative reversal. And if we actually take the suggestion of this projection, we actually aim somewhere towards 80, which is 79.75 is the all-time low. So this market is still looking towards that. Moving on to the dollar Swiss franc, which has tested parity, actually penetrated that area, and the market has since rallied. But here again, we are testing the parity level, and if the market can sustain a break below that, we see that it could come down here where it was in 2008, the low in 2008, around 0.97, 0.9650 area, if the parity level is broken. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see the market rally here. You see, first of all, we've been in a decline for a while now, and the market continues to be bearish, and there's actually this projection down here towards 0.99, but the market was supported at 0.9950 area and rallied. Could not broke above this channel resistance, so we are still in the bearish mode. Okay, so now the market has its two swings down here, supported at 61.8%. If the market can rally above 1.1, you see this little consolidation area where the market paused. If the market can break above this area, then it should be able to rally towards 1.0250 with this swing projection. Okay, so that's the bullish outlook, only if the market can break above this area here at 1.0100 and close above that in the 4-hour time frame. Otherwise, if the market breaks below this parity level in 61.8%, then it could continue declining towards 0.97 before finding any support. Moving on now to euro pound. Okay, so first let's take a look at the daily. We may still have we may have some resistance here as the market finished this two swing rally. Could be a Gartley, and looking at the market, since it has been bearish, we may have some resistance here. The thing is, it did break above 61.8%. We have a higher low here than this previous low, so the market may be turning. It also broke above this declining trend line, so there are signs the market is turning, even though in the near term we are expecting some resistance here. Now, if the market shows a throwback, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. You see this projection, one, and then this is another projection. So it's reached the swing projection, and it could continue declining. If the market comes down and breaks below 0.84, also breaking below this rising trend line, then we may be starting up the bearish mode again, or we may be at least seeing in the daily ranging between 0.8450 and 0.82 area or 0.8150 area. Otherwise, if the market is supported above 0.84 or this trend line here, then the market can continue higher, and the euro pound may have turned the corner. And the next, we should see the market test this previous high here again, and continue to push into retracement zones, namely the 50% retracement zone here at 0.86. And if the market breaks above that, then it's a confirmation of the bullish mode. Otherwise, we could still be in a ranging mode below 0.86, 0.8650. You see the market here, a support here, a support again, and there's a lot of consolidation here. So this area is still could be a resistance within the ranging type of mode. So that's the euro pound. Let's take a look at the euro Canadian dollar pair in a slightly longer term. In the daily, you see the market first of all break above this long very persistent decline, and the market has since shown a rally, and then there's this flag pattern, and the market now is testing, hasn't broken it yet. This is in the daily time frame, it hasn't completely broken above, so we're anticipating this move, and if it does, and with the RSI breaking above 60, having failed to break below 40, then this is a bullish signal. And in the weekly, we see that if the market has another swing up this way, we are aiming at 1.4230 area, which is 50% retracement of this decline. So that's the euro Canadian dollar. We see here also the RSI climbing. Now it's in the middle here, so it's reflecting the consolidation mode. Okay, so once again, look for this to break above 1.3550 area, and then if the market can sustain a rally, then look for it to continue towards 1.4220. As I mentioned, the Swizzy yen may be in a flat correction after the market here had a breakout. Here we had this retracement and then swing up, and now looking like after this rounding top, looking like another swing to this correction down towards 84.10 area, this moving 250 moving average. So in the 4-hour time frame, again, I mentioned that the Swizzy yen has a bullish outlook, and to maintain that, this 4-hour RSI should stay above 40. The price level should stay above this 83.30 area, resistance of previous consolidation. But really, we may already see support here at 84.10 area as the market completes a 100% projection of this previous downswing. And in the daily time frame, we see that we are in this upswing projection towards 88. Okay, so this 88 area is 50% of this consolidation area. Important. Also declining trend line here. So that's going to be a test of the market's bullishness for the Swizzy yen. If the market can break above that, that's a very significant bullish signal. Otherwise, we should see some resistance at around 88 for this pair. Pound yen, let's look at the daily. We see some reversal. You see this outside, well, it's not an outside bar, it's an engulfing pattern followed by another decline. So the market is looking to come down towards 131.50, 131.60 area at least. 1 hour time frame, we see 131.60 area at least is this kind of, you sort of have a head and shoulder here, and the breakout projection looking at this decline towards using the width of this projection. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let me go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's get rid of some of these, and the market can actually continue lower towards the resistance of this consolidation area, which is around which is under 131, about 130.50, and possibly even 130, which is this line here. And if the market is supported there, it could still be bullish, but if it breaks that, then the market is bearish. And you see here 130.50 is a 61.8% retracement area. So actually, even if the market breaks below this area, we should start considering the bearish outlook for the pound yen. For now, because of this strong rally, we should consider this as a correction until it could break below 130.50. And that wraps it up for today. Join me tomorrow at fxtimes.com at 3 p.m. Eastern Time as I host and present a live technical analysis session online. If you haven't done so, register at www.fxtimes.com to receive invitations to this and other educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, wishing you good trading.